Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets. I'm Sheikh Wajid Ali, and I welcome you all in today's mathematics class. As you all know, that due to Corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself, or actually whole world. So you must careful about COVID-19, and you have the opportunity to take your class through online. So you must remain cautious and remain sincere about your studies. Okay. Now we are going to hear some tips for you that you prevent from COVID-19 yourself. Okay. So here is main thing is you don't go outside if it is not damaged. So I actually tell you everyone that don't go outside. Okay. So now we are going to start our actual class. So boys, here are some pictures. So here is some picture that is for integration, the bounded curve. So actually we learned this integration after we learn basic. Okay. So first our today's topic is chapter 10 being integration. So our learning outcome. After the lesson you will be able to apply basic formula of integration and solve integration problems. So first I give you some derivatives of inverse trigonometric function. Boys, you know that integration is antiderivative. So first I give you that the antiderivative form. So here we know the derivative form of sine inverse x is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. So we can say that the integration of 1 by 1 minus x square is sine inverse x, and minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square is cos inverse x. So actually these two are only one for integration. So okay, and differentiation of tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x squared, and differentiation of cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x squared, and these two makes one formula for integration, that is 1 by 1 plus x squared dx is tan inverse x, and actually we can write minus 1 by 1 plus x squared actually minus tan inverse x or cot inverse x. And here is another two, that is d by dx of sec inverse x is 1 by x square root of x square minus 1, and d by dx of cosec inverse x equal to minus 1 by x square root of x square minus 1, and our integration formula is integration of 1 by x square root of x square minus 1 dx is sec inverse x. Now we're going to some, using this formula we're going to build up some new formulas, that is your textbook you have type free. Okay, actually I give you type by type question and solve. Now here d by dx of a square plus x square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. We know that d by dx of d by dx by, if here a is 1, then we got tan inverse x. Okay, so our actual formula was dx by 1 plus x square, and this formula was tan inverse x. So here is some new formula. Okay, and for b, dx by a square minus x square, here is no actual formula, so here we have to find this formula by the a square minus x square is a plus x into a minus x, and after partial fraction we got two fraction, and then integrating this we get 1 by 2a ln a plus x by a minus x. Okay, So here is first is constant a square, like 5 square minus x square. Dx by a square minus x square equal to 1 by 2 ln a plus x by a minus x. And last c is dx by x square minus x square, a square. Okay, here constant is after x. So it is 1 by 2 ln x minus a by x plus a plus c. So, and here is different. We know that the integration of dx by 1 minus x squared is sine inverse x. And here is different. That is 1 is replaced by a squared. So here the formula is sine inverse x by a. And similarly here, dx by integration of dx by square root of a square plus x square is ln a square plus x square plus x. Boys, now E, F, and G are different, so you have to memorize it very cautiously because this is are, are important. Okay, actually, this is important for your admission, and actually, this is also important for your last section formula. Okay. And now f dx by square root of x square minus a square, that is ln square root of x square minus a square plus x plus c. And last one is a square root of a square minus x square dx equal to x square root of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. Boys, here first four, that is A, B, C, D, are important for our board examination or basic. Okay, you going to build this uh, integration by your in your exam hall, but the E, F, and G are different, so you have to be careful about these three formulas. Okay. So, and last one, the G number formula is really important for your last section, the area section. Okay. And now we're going to solve some problems using these formulas and previous formulas. Okay. Now, find the value of integration of dx by 9x square plus 4. So boys, actually we have a square plus x square or x square plus a square like this. So we just going to build this as dx by 3x square plus 2 whole square. Here you can choose that you can free air x, okay, or you can write another one. So here 3x square plus 2 square. Here we suppose we choose 3x as z. So differentiate of dx z is 3dz. Okay. So here we have to replace this variable x into 3x. Like here, it is 3x and it is 3x. For these three, the differentiation of 3x is 3, and here we take 3, so here 1 by 3 and these 3 eliminate. Okay, I think you understood. And divide by 2 square, that is a square plus x square, and here x is 2x. So we have the formula of, that is integration of dx by a square plus x square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So here is 1 by 3 into 1 by a, that is 2 square, 2, 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Here x is 3x, x by a plus c. So after simplifying, we get 1 by 6 tan inverse 3x plus 2 plus 3. So boys, we solve this problem by two way. That is, one, we take common. We take common, and here 9. Then then the result is same. Here if we take common 9, then the problem is like dx 1 by 9 dx by x square plus 4 by 9. So 4 by 9 we replace like 2 by 3 whole square, that is actually build up a x square plus x a square, or like we replace we we say that a is 2 by 3 whole square plus x square. Then the actually then there is no disturbance. So you solve this problem usually two type. Okay, this type of problem actually. Now next, find the problem. Find the value of integration of 5 e to the power 2x divided by 1 plus e to the power 4x dx. So boys, I choose different problems of e to the power x. Here you see that there is two type of problem. Actually it is one and another one is after this. So first you have to think that it is important, really important. You have to first identify that how we solve this e to the power x exponential x type problem. So here is integration of 5 e to the power 2x 1 plus e to the power 4x. So here we take 5 out, then 5 by 2. Now 5 by 2, that is we take 2 because it is 1 plus e to the power 4x. And if we suppose you let e to the power 4x as z, then the differentiation of e to the power 4x should be 4 e to the power 4x. So you don't have e to the power 4x in numerator. So we have to choose e to the power 2x as z. So we can write e to the power 2x whole square. So here we take e to the power 2x as z, then the differentiation of z is 2 e to the power 2x. It is upper right. So and now we skip the let and the derived part because you have to smart. Okay, you have to be smart about your calculation because you don't have so many time for this. So the 1 plus e to the power 2x whole square. Here the differentiation of e to the power 2x is right here. So we can say that 5 by 2 dx by 1 plus z square. Then the integration is tan inverse z. Okay, so it is same but another time. So here the differentiation of e to the power 2x is upper, so we can say that 5 by 2 tan inverse e to the power 2x. Okay, plus c. Okay, and now another, that is find the value of 1 by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. So boys, here you can see that if we let some function as z like e to the power x or e to the power minus x, you don't have to eliminate, we don't have the dz part. So first you have to derive the dz part. How? Here we take common ex, then we get e to the power x minus, here also e to the power x. We multiply e to the power x in numerator and denominator. Then this e to the power x and e to the power x multiplying, then e to the power x whole square, and here e to the power minus x and e to the power x will be eliminated, that is 1. So we get e to the power x by e to the power x whole square plus 1 dx. Now we let z, the previous problem is here, so that is now ongoing, it is you can do, and it is let e to the power x equal to z, and that is e to the power x dx is dz. So we have this part is dz, so dz by that is z square, that is 1 plus z square, where we can write it is integration of tan inverse z plus c, or after putting the value of z we get that is tan inverse x e to the power x plus c. So boys, First, you have to think that e to the power x problem is not difficult problem. If it is in the form of your integration, or you have if you choose a z function, then the differentiation of z function is there in your problem, so then you have no problem, you will solve. And if you don't have the dz part here, so first you have to build your dz part, then choose z, and then the problem will be easier. Now, next, find the value of integration of dx by x square minus x plus 1. So boys, let's think. We have the formula that is integration of x square dx by x square plus 1 a square minus x square minus x a square, like this. But you don't have any formula that is integration of dx by x square plus bx plus c, like this. So first you have to make a square, completing square. Okay, then you choose this is part as z, and then this is z, and this will make a square, that is z square minus a square, or like this formula we have, that is a square plus x square, or x square minus a square, or a square minus x square. So actually we have to build the completing square. So first, now we solve this problem. Okay. Now dx by x square minus x plus 1. So first we have to build completing square by first using these two terms. So this two term, this is x square, so this is x, and here 2x. So we have the formula that is here, it is minus, so we have to build a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square is here and 2ab is here. So a square, that is x square, 2ab, that is 2 into x into, and b we have to find. B is, if we choose 2x, so we have to eliminate the 2. That is 1. If we multiply 1 by 2, then the 2 is eliminated. So b is 1 by 2, and we choose b square, that is 1 by 4, and here we eliminate this minus 1 by 4. So we choose, here we write x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 minus 1 by 4. And boys, now after simplifying these two, we get that is plus 3 by 4. So now we can write. Okay, now that is one. If we take 3 by 4, then root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4. So we can write root 3 by 2 whole square. And dx, we just transfer the variable x to x minus 1 by 2. How? We know that the differentiation of x minus 1 by 2 is 1. So differentiation of x is also 1. So that's our same. So we can write x minus 1 by 2 whole square, and we change the variable dx to, or integrating operator dx to dx minus 1 by 2. Now we integrate, like we have the formula that is a square plus x square. So now a square plus x square, what is the formula actually? That is integration of dx by a square plus x square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So here a is 3 by 2, so 1 by 3 by 2, tan inverse x is x minus 1 by 2, tan inverse x minus 1 by 2, divided by a, that is 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 plus c. So our solution is 2 by root 3 tan inverse 2x minus 3, 2x minus 1 divided by root 3 plus c. Okay boys, now we're going to next problem. This is another exponential problem, and find the value of integration of 1 by ex minus e to the power minus x. So this is same type of problems actually we solve. So first here we see that if we take z as e to the power x or z as e to the power minus x, so then you don't have we don't have the dz part. So first we have to collect the dz part. That is, we multiplying e to the power x in numerator and denominator, then we get e to the power x by e to the power 2x minus 1, and we can write e to the power 2x as e to the power x whole square, and we can write e to the power x dx as d to the power x. Then we get e to the power x whole square minus 1. So now we know that we have the formula, that is integration of dx by x square plus x square minus a square is 1 by 2a ln a minus x minus a by x plus a. Again, I told tell you that integration of dx by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a ln x minus a by x plus a plus c. So here we have, here is x is e to the power x and a is 1. So 1 by 2 into a, that is 2 into 1 ln x, that is e to the power x minus 1 by e to the power x plus 1 plus c. After simplifying, we get 1 by 2 ln e to the power x minus 1 by e to the power x plus 1 plus c. Okay. Now, another, this is very simple problem. Actually, let us find the value of integration of dx by square root of 2 minus 3x squared. So boys, we have the formula, that is integration of dx by square root of a square minus x square, that is sine inverse x by a. Okay, so we just formulate this problem. So here 2 minus 3x square, you can write this as square root of 2 whole square, and square root of 3x whole square, and we choose this as z, then the dz will be square root of 3 dx. So taking 3 here, we eliminate here also, we have to take 1 by square root of 3. So this is square root of 3 and this square root of 3 will be cancelled. So now we have the formula, that is dx by square root of a square minus x square, that is 1 by square root of 3 sine inverse x by a. X is square root of 3x by a is square root of 2 plus c. Now boys, here we have to also we have to formulate the problem. Okay, actually integration is integration, we have to know the integration frame or formula, then we integrate. So if any function we have to integrate, then we have to transfer this function into we known formulas, known frame, and after getting known frame, we just solve this problem. We can solve, or if we don't transfer this problem into the known frame, then we cannot. So now here is in the, and the value of is integration of x square by square root of 1 minus x to the power 6 plus c. So here here first we have to see that in previous class I told about that first we have to that x square. So we know that the differentiation of x cube is 3x square, right? So here we just take x to the power 6 as x is x cube square, and takes x cube as z, then it is x squared dx. So 1 minus x cube as 1 minus z squared dz. And here this 1 by 3 for eliminating this 3. So 1 by 3 sine inverse z plus. See, this is very simple. Okay, now next problem, actually the last problem. This is the formula that is find the value of integration of 1 square root of 1 minus 9 x squared dx. So actually this we know the formula that is 1 square root of a square minus x squared dx is 1 by a square root of 1 minus x square root of 1 minus x square by 2 plus 1 by 2 square sine inverse x. So, boys, we have to just here 1 minus 9x square. We choose 3x as z, then 3x dx is dz. So, square root of 1 minus 3x square dx. And after replacing dx, we know that dx is 1 by 3 dz. So, 1 by 3 dz and 3x is z. So, integration of 1 minus z square. So, actually, we have 1 by 3 integration of square root of 1 minus z square dz. So 1 by 3, and integrating this, we know that 1 minus z square is z in e square root of 1 minus z square by 2 plus 1 by 2 sine inverse z. And putting the value of z, we know that z is 3x is 3x. So 1 by 3, 3x square root of 1 minus 3x square by 2 plus 1 by 2 sine inverse 3x plus c equal to 1 by 6, 3x square root of 1 minus 9x plus sine inverse 3x plus c. So that's all for our today's lesson. So first you have to memorize the integrative frame or formulas and then convert any function into known formula, then integrate. Okay. So now I give you some homework. That is first integration of dx by square root of 25 minus 16x square. Number 2, integrate 3x minus 2 divided by square root of 3 plus 2x minus 4x square dx. Number 3, integrate dx by 9x square minus 16. And number 4, integrate dx by 1 minus x square. So actually I collect this four, actually these are different four problems actually. So you I think if you understood this class, you can solve your textbook 10b problem. Now, before finishing my class, again I am reminding you all that the world is going through the pandemic situation. You just maintain the social distancing and avoid all sorts of mass gatherings because this time is going very long. So we have to uh, we don't show negligence about this, maintaining the prevention steps. Okay, I think you're careful about your health, and thank you all for listening my class. And if I think you solve your problems, and let me know that you have any type of problem. Okay, so thank you all, boys. Allah.